You love Pinterest. Have you heard the big news? They now have a Pinterest TV. It's in beta right now, so you may or may not have the option to watch, but I have classes coming, so I want to make sure you know how to find it, and you can go ahead and RSVP right now. You're going to need to save this video so you'll be able to come back to it. Okay, you're going to open up the Pinterest app. Hear me now, the Pinterest app, not your desktop or laptop. It has to be the app. Okay, look at the very, very, very top left-hand corner. Do you see that? Little baby TV, top left-hand corner. Now, if you don't have the TV, I'm so sorry. They're like rolling this out. This is all beta. And scroll down a little bit where it says upcoming episodes. You're going to scroll. Keep scrolling. Now, this one right here is glass and resin. That's going to be amazing. Go ahead and click attending or click reserve that class. That's my friend Elizabeth Rhodes Studio. Oh my goodness, I'm right next to her. So click on me, open it up.
How would you like to learn?
It's going to tell you what the class is about, and then you're going to click remind me.
I'm going to teach you everything.
Okay, and then it'll tell you. It'll send you a reminder if you have your notifications on.
With an app.
Last time I did a class, we had 1,200 attendees. It was amazing. I would love your support, so be sure to go right now and RSVP. I'll see you in class.